Ciao baby, Tanya here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to never miss an upload. Hi, how are you? I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'm really hoping you're excited for this try and haul. Today I'll be bringing you shopping with me to an Italian store called Guarda. As always, I'll be showing you the tags so you can see the price and the size that I'm trying on at the moment, as well as the article number. Probably you can check out these items on their website. You know, this is actually my first time shopping at this store, and I have to admit that not that many items actually grabbed my attention. Moreover, you will see during the try and haul that the sizing is actually an issue. Yeah, let's put it this way. Honestly, I have weird and mixed feelings regarding this dress. It kind of looks cute and the fit is pretty okay. I mean, it looks a little bit vintage. Probably a nice choice for fall, especially if you're gonna style with some over-knee boots. It's gonna be a nice option, but I don't really know. What do you say? Leopard print is one of the trickiest prints out there. It can look extremely good, or it can look kind of meh. I have to say that I have weird feelings about this dress. I'd say it's a no, but again, you probably can style it in some ways to make it look cute. But anyway, I didn't get that dress. This blouse is actually really great. I really love the quality, the material is great, and the design is pretty decent. Very simple, but quite refined and sophisticated, so it's a yes for me. And when I was about to put it on, I found a pin. Seriously? This is not a joke because someone could get hurt. I was very cautious after this accident, honestly, and felt a little bit off. Well, let's see how it goes. Besides the pin accident, I have to say that I really love the shirt. Looks very good, the quality is great, and it's pretty simple, so I kinda like it. Let's see how I'm gonna style it with some skirts. When passing by the store, I saw this skirt and I was like, whoa, I need to try it on. So that is actually why I decided to go to the store and pick some items to try on. But when I tried it on, I felt a little bit weird. It doesn't look great. The flower is too much. Again, prints can be very tricky, and this is a perfect example. And probably I should have picked something different for the top, like a sweater, probably turtleneck sweater, dark gray or black. But this is what I had. And again, this thing with sizing, everything is very big. Sizes start from an S and they end with an XL. We need more sizes here. This skirt is pretty much the same as the previous one, the only difference is the length. This one is shorter, but the same. I feel like, I don't know, something is off. Probably we need a different top, but still. Would you get this skirt? Let me know in the comment section. This curry was my last pick because it looked just gorgeous and the quality is also great and it was on sale. But again, the sizing. What is it SM size? How do you expect S and M fit the same person? This is kind of ridiculous, not gonna lie. We need more sizes. I need an XS, for example, and I would be very happy with this skirt. Seriously, I really love this skirt, but I didn't get it because the size was off. Anyway, what do you think about this try-on haul? Thank you for sticking till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to never miss an upload. Let me know in the comment section which outfit was your favorite and why. And if you'd like to see more of my content or you're just willing to say hi to me, feel free to reach out. I'll drop the links as usually in the description box below. Have a fabulous day and I'll see you soon. Bye!